I'm Grant.
And I'm Nivea.
And today we will be exploring the intersection between science, sustainability, and the golden rule.
So April 22nd was Earth Day, and on that day, Grant and I saw a lot of posts on social media about the importance of preserving our environment. However, we realized that the idea of promoting sustainable practices and interests in our environment should extend beyond just a day.
So we decided to speak with some students and professionals both on what they are currently doing in the community and some possible solutions that they have in mind.
There's just a lot of things that people can do on a daily basis, just like carpooling for saving gas, and then also just try not to waste electricity.
When you learn about something new, like share it with others, right? But then the Arizona Sustainability Alliance does a really good job at involving the community. So any community member who's passionate about making a difference can get involved and do what they're passionate in.
A lot of people are misinformed about the topic. So a lot of people tend to think when they hear climate change, they're like, oh, it's this big problem, it's too late, and then it's never too late.
People have to remove kind of a degree of convenience from their life. They kind of have to go out of their way to promote a sustainable agenda, as opposed to other means that might be more convenient or they might be used to.
I think the biggest issue about it is more of awareness, because I feel like most teens aren't aware that climate change is an actual issue in the world.
It's really about education. The more people really feel that it's a problem, the more they're going to want to embrace whatever solutions we come up with.
I feel like a lot of people, they don't really see that far into the future, and because the changes in the environment are not really able to be really seen as of right now, at least. A lot of people don't really put much emphasis onto trying to keep it good.
We really need to start thinking of the environment as this critical factor, in the health of our future. So people rely on the environment, and we rely on healthy food to be grown and healthy air to breathe. And so I think living the golden rule should extend past just treating people. We should all treat people how we want to be treated, but then I think that it should extend to the environment and be treating that the best way that we can.
So the organization that I'm working on this project with is called the Arizona Sustainability Alliance. And what we do is we build food computers, which are basically enclosed growth chambers that you can use as a way to digitalize agriculture and use coding and apply it to changing the way how you grow things. And so what we do is we build those food computers and take it to low-income high schools, and we're teaching them about the food computer, how you can research and experiment with it, the STEM involved, and just kind of giving them the opportunity to explore things in STEM, and specifically environmentalism and sustainability.
Climate change is going to affect poor people more than wealthy people. So it's really important for us to work on climate change, and so it doesn't have that really big impact on the more poor parts of society.
I think really every organism should gain our respect, and just the earth as as a whole in the ecosystem, just to make sure that we're not disrupting the flow.
People are going to be on this earth in the future. We want to respect the planet, give them a chance to, live on this planet as it should be, give them a chance to experience everything we have, and not leave a bad impact on the environment that's irreversible for them.
There are a few takeaways from the interviews that we just want to share.
One takeaway was the idea that teens have that they can't have a significant impact on the environment, especially when we think of these large-scale problems like waste in the ocean. However, by incorporating simple practices into their daily routine, like taking shorter showers and also conserving gas, that can actually have a very large impact on the environment.
Similarly, sustainability doesn't have to be strictly altruistic. Whether we are investing in renewable technology or carpooling, we are saving money while we save the environment.
So live green and live golden.